Moving your Wix store to Spotify is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can move your Wix store to your Shopify. So for that, you have to go to any of the browser and type in cart to cart. And you have to go to this website, which is Shopping Cart Migrator. So you just have to select here Wix website, and the second one should be Shopify. And after that, you just have to, as you guys can see, I can try it for free. Now, after this setting, you just have to click on free demo now. Or you guys, I'm just testing it to show you guys how you guys can do it. But in your case, you probably have to buy this as well. So you just have to select Wix here, add your domain, your admin email, and your admin password. And in Shopify, you just have to do all of the things. Same, just add the URL. You can also install the plugin to your Shopify store. You just have to click on this plugin after entering your URL. What it will do is it will help you move from your Wix website to your Shopify website. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can move from Wix to Shopify. Hope you guys find this video helpful.